Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn two types of prepositions: prepositions of relations as well as prepositions of agent. There are three prepositions. They are common for both: without, with and by. Without and with, they are prepositions of relations, and other, with and by, they are prepositions of agent. Now let's try to understand them. I would like to begin with, that is the prepositions of relation. With as a preposition of relation used to show something happening together with something or someone. Whenever we do any activity, whenever we act anything that is done with someone or with something, that time we use the preposition with. It means it shows relation, that two things or two persons that is done with together. That is why here it is written with is used to show something happening together with something or someone. Clarification: see the example. She went to Canada with her parents. See here use of with. She went to Canada with her parents. So here we can see that she went to Canada with whom? With her parents. So it's so something happening, that action of going to Canada, that happens with whom? Her parents. So for that we have used the preposition with. See the another example. She lives in Mumbai with family. Here also see the use of with. It also gives us meaning that it shows something happening together with something or someone. So when we use with to show something happening together with someone or something, that time the use of with, that is as a preposition of relation. I repeat, when we use with to show something happening together with something or someone, that time with, it is a preposition of relation. Here you can see the example. She went to Canada with her parents. She lives in Mumbai with family. In both the sentences, with, it is preposition of relation. Move to the second preposition of relation, that is without. Without, it is opposite, antonyms of with. We can see here without. Now as with, it is antonym of without, so the use, it is also opposite. Used to show something happening without something or someone. Whenever we do any activity without someone or without something, that time we use the preposition without, and without preposition, it is preposition of relation. Let's understand with example. He answered the detailed question without reading it. Many of the times in hurry we do this, that we answer the question without reading it or without understanding it. That time we have used the preposition without. So that without preposition here, it is preposition of relation. See the another example. Hiral went to school without homework. Here also the use of without, it is as a preposition of relation. So without, it is antonym. Without, it is the opposite of with. And with and without, they are prepositions of relations. This is about the first two prepositions, without and with, as a preposition of relation. Now see next, that is preposition of agent. With and by, both are prepositions of agent. Now let's understand, when with, it is used as preposition of agent, that time the function will be different. See here, with as a preposition of agent is used to show an instrument or device used to do something else. Many of the times we do any activity, we do any action with something. That time, due to the influence of our mother tongue, we usually make a mistake and use the preposition by. But be precise, with this preposition of agent, we use to show an instrument or device used to do something else. See the example. When you look at the example, your doubt will be clear. We write with a pen. See the use of with. Here with it is used as a preposition of agent, not preposition of a relation. We write with a pen. We cannot say we write by a pen. We write by a pen, that is wrong. We write with a pen. Why we have used with? Because a pen, it is an instrument, it is a tool. With the help of this we have done the action. That is why we have to use with as a preposition. Remember, whenever any instrument or device is used to do any action, to show that, to express that, we have to use with as a preposition. See the another example. Always water the plants with a hose pipe. Always water the plants with a hose pipe, not by a hose pipe. Because hose pipe, it is an instrument, it is one of the tools. So whenever anything happens, whenever we do anything with the help of any instrument, tools or device, we have to use the preposition with. I hope you have understood. I am repeating, any action is done with the help of any instrument, tool or device. That time we have to use the preposition of agent, that is with. Remember this, instrument, device or tool, when we use for any action, we have to use the preposition with. Let's move to the second preposition of agent, that is by. By, it is used to show an action by a doer. It means a person is doing anything, any action is done by a person, by a doer. That time we use the preposition by. See the example. Hamlet is written by Shakespeare. The writing of the novel Hamlet, it is done by Shakespeare. So for that we have used the preposition by. Whenever anything is done, any action is done by any person, any doer, that time we use the preposition by, and that by, it is preposition of agent. Another use of by, that is used for means of travel. Here also many of the times, due to the influence of our mother tongue, we misuse the preposition. We use on, other prepositions. That used for means of travel, we use the preposition of agent by. For example, most students come to school by one, not with or any other. So whenever we want to indicate, whenever we want to show means of transportation, means of travel, that time we have to use the preposition of agent by. And whenever anything is done by the doer or a person, that time we use the preposition of agent by. See the use of by, two uses. Used to show an action by a doer, means by a person, and another that means of transport, means of travel, means of transportation. Even some of the times for some of the electronic devices also we can use by. I have given invitation. I have sent an invitation card by post, not with post or any other preposition. We have to use by. So remember, without, with and by, they are prepositions of relation as well as preposition of agent. Without and with, they are prepositions of relations. Without, that we are using to show something happening without something. Example, he answered the detailed question without reading it. So that without, it is a preposition of relation. With, whenever we do any activity or anything happens together with something or someone, that time we use preposition with, that is preposition of relation. Let's say lives in Mumbai with family. That time with, it is preposition of relation. again that with, it is also preposition of agent, but that time the function will be different. That time it does the function that it shows that something is done by any instrument or device or tool. For example, we write with a pen, we write by pen, that is wrong. Always water the plants with a hose pipe, not by a hose pipe. And the quick recap of by, we used to show an action by doer and used for means of travel. Here also used for means of travel. Many of the times when the action is continuing, that time this by can be replaced by on. When this, suppose most students they come to school by one, here the use of by it is correct. But suppose the action is continuing, when the students they are coming to school and the action is continuing, that time instead of in we use on. Even we are on the train, when the action is continuing, we are on the train, we are not telling that we are coming by train. So this use of by, that remember. So these are prepositions of relations and prepositions of agent. When you refer your course book, there are some exercises based on these prepositions of relations and prepositions of agents. Two exercises are given. In one exercise, you have to identify that whether the use of preposition of without, with or by, that what kind of function they did. So you have to identify whether it is preposition of relation or prepositions of agent. And another exercise, that is fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions, that is without, with and by. For this exercise, you will be sent assignments. Thank you.